Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. DTC P2135 indicates a problem with the throttle position TP sensor, specifically that there is an incorrect voltage correlation between TP sensor A and TP sensor B. The system monitors these sensors to ensure that the data they provide are consistent with one another. If the powertrain control module, PCM, detects a significant deviation between the voltages reported by the two sensors, this diagnostic trouble code, DTC, is triggered. This abnormality can hinder engine performance and efficiency, as the throttle body may not respond correctly to driver inputs. The TP sensors play a critical role in regulating the engine's air intake, which is crucial for maintaining appropriate power and efficiency. Understanding this DTC is vital for addressing potential performance issues in the 2023 Plus Honda CR-V. The error described by DTC P2135 revolves around the throttle position, TP sensors A and B, showing discrepancies in their voltage readings. These sensors are typically integrated into the throttle body, which is located in the intake manifold area of the engine. The powertrain control module, PCM, continuously monitors the voltage from both sensors to ensure that they are aligned. The expected voltage range usually hovers within a specific limit. Any significant deviation can lead to incorrect throttle operation and inefficient engine performance. The affected components include the throttle body itself, the wires connecting the sensors to the PCM, and the PCM, which processes the data and executes corrections. It is essential to conduct a thorough inspection of these components to diagnose the underlying issue accurately. Several possible causes could lead to the DTC P2135 being triggered. First, there may be shorted wires within the external circuit connecting the TP sensors to the PCM. This can create erroneous voltage readings. Secondly, a malfunction in the throttle body itself could result in abnormal sensor behavior, as the internal circuitry may not be functioning correctly. Lastly, there is the possibility that the PCM is faulty and unable to correctly interpret the data received from the TP sensors. Each of these potential causes must be thoroughly examined to identify the root of the problem effectively. Knowing these causes helps technicians narrow down their approach during troubleshooting and repairs. When DTC P2135 is triggered, several symptoms may manifest. The most prominent is a noticeable decline in engine performance, which might present as sluggish acceleration or inefficient fuel consumption. Additionally, the vehicle's dashboard might display warning lights, often indicating a check engine or maintenance reminder. In some cases, drivers may experience inconsistent throttle response, where the vehicle may not accelerate as expected or may have unintended surges and drops in power. Recognizing these symptoms is crucial for vehicle owners and service technicians alike, as it can lead to timely repairs to prevent further mechanical issues down the line. The first troubleshooting step in addressing DTC P2135 involves turning the vehicle's ignition to the on position. This prepares the electronic systems for diagnostics. Next, it is essential to perform the HDS Honda Diagnostic System ETCS Electronic Throttle Control System test. This test will allow technicians to assess the operational state of the throttle control systems and monitor any immediate readings from the TP sensors. Performing this initial test can help rule out or identify problems related to electronic malfunctions that could influence the throttle position feedback being sent to the PCM. Following this step, any abnormal readings would signal further investigation into the associated circuits and components. The second troubleshooting step focuses on inspecting the external circuit related to the TP sensors. This involves checking for any shorted wires in the network connecting the TP sensors to the PCM. Specifically, technicians look for wiring issues at THL1 and THL2, which are the signal lines for the respective sensors. Before beginning the inspection, it is critical to disconnect the PCM and throttle body connectors to ensure safety during testing. Technicians will measure the resistance in the wires to confirm that there is more than 1 megaohm of resistance when the ignition is in the off position. A significantly lower resistance reading may indicate a short circuit that could be causing erroneous voltage readings, leading to the DTC. The third troubleshooting step involves performing an inspection of the throttle body itself. Before conducting this inspection, the PCM connector must remain disconnected to ensure accurate results. During this stage, technicians verify the internal circuit of the throttle body to ensure it is functioning correctly. They will check for continuity, as a lack thereof may indicate that the throttle body is defective and could lead to the improper operation of the TP sensors. There should be no continuity in the internal circuit while the throttle body is disconnected. If continuity is detected, it points to a fault within the throttle body that needs addressing. Performing this inspection will help isolate whether the issue lies within the throttle body or the associated circuit. The final troubleshooting step involves conducting a thorough inspection of the powertrain control module, PCM. If all previous checks have indicated normal conditions, it is plausible that the PCM itself may be faulty. This module is responsible for interpreting the signals from the TP sensors and controlling related functions. When the other components are functioning correctly, PCM malfunctions become more evident. Technicians will need to run tests for any error codes stored in the PCM and examine operational data from the throttle control system. This ensures that any issue with the PCM is accurately diagnosed, confirming whether it is the component requiring repair or replacement. Once repairs have been completed, it is critical to verify that everything is functioning as expected. This involves testing to confirm that the throttle operates smoothly and consistently, aligning with the driver's commands. After performing this test, technicians should proceed to clear the DTC from the PCM to reset the system. Conducting another round of diagnostics will see if the DTC reappears when the vehicle is operated under normal conditions. If the DTC does not return and the vehicle exhibits proper throttle response, the repairs can be deemed successful. This verification step ensures that the work performed has resolved the issue without causing new problems. Preventive maintenance plays a crucial role in avoiding future issues related to the throttle position sensors and the DTC P2135 error. Regularly inspecting the wiring and connectors linking the TP sensors to the PCM can preemptively catch any potential short circuits or damage before they result in a trouble code. Additionally, checking the throttle body functionality periodically will ensure that there are no internal faults developing over time. Routine diagnostic checks can also help monitor voltage levels and performance, allowing for timely repairs. Adopting these preventive strategies helps maintain the vehicle's performance and prolongs the lifespan of its components. In conclusion, understanding DTC P2135 is fundamental for maintaining the operational integrity of the Honda CR-V 2023 Plus. Proper diagnostics and troubleshooting steps ensure that issues with the throttle position sensors are addressed swiftly, improving performance and preventing further complications. Identifying potential causes, such as shorted wires, faulty throttle bodies, or PCM malfunctions, equips technicians with the knowledge needed to efficiently resolve problems. Through regular inspections and preventive maintenance, vehicle owners can enhance their experience, maintaining vehicle efficiency and performance for years to come. Ultimately, comprehensive troubleshooting not only leads to effective repairs, but also instills confidence in the vehicle's reliability. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.